Replacing the bag on the original Bag Shag golf ball retriever. You start by opening the bag, turning the Bag Shag upside down, and removing the bolts on the inside of the top plate. A socket wrench will remove the bolts. Now that the handle's removed, you reverse the plate inside out to remove the wire on the inside of the top plate. By turning the plate inside out, you'll notice the wire on the inside of the top plate. And using simple pliers, you'll unloosen the wire to remove the plate. Now that the wire is loosened, the plate should remove from the bag. So go ahead and do that. Then you fold the bag downward, leaning down towards the bottom of the tube, and then unloosen the wire on the bottom plate. With the bag removed, it's now time to replace it with the new bag. Now that you have your new bag, you'll notice two wires sticking out towards the bottom of the bag. These wires will be used to insert into the bottom of the bottom plate. Insert the wires through the hole and tighten the bag around the edge of the plate. Now that the bag is secure, you will need to tighten the wire on the inside. Now that you've secured the plate to the bottom, or the bag to the bottom of the plate, you'll see the two wires are sticking out of the bottom inside the plate. You'll take your pliers and twist them approximately 3 to 5 times to tighten the wire to the plate. Be sure to cut off the ends to make it secure. Once the bottom plate is tightened, you'll take the bag and align it through the tube with the brackets sticking out of the top. At that point, you'll take the bottom plate, or the top plate, and insert the wire through the hole in the top plate. And again, with the same process, secure the bag around the bottom of the top plate. Now that the bag is secure, you'll turn the plate inside out. You'll notice the wires will be sticking out of the bottom. And you'll take your pliers and again 3 to 5 twists and your bag will be tightened. Now that your bottom and top plates are secure, and the wires tightened on the inside, the final step is to reattach the handle. You use the same procedure you used at the beginning when you unscrewed the handle with a socket wrench. Now that the handle is secure and tight, your Bag Shag should be repaired and as good as new.